This is Mythical Rocket. His typing skills is extraordinary, and he's an absolute monster at the keyboard. He can type up to 300 words per minute. He does typing content, and he's actually paused when it comes to typing.
Yes! 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 Yes!
And this is me. Yeah, average person. Since I can't beat this guy, I just make a program that'll make me the fastest. And what better way to prove that I'm the fastest typist in the world than destroying some kids on some typing games? So I'll be creating a typing pod for TypeGG, Monkeytype, and human benchmark test. The bot should be pretty straightforward to make and it shouldn't take too much time. It's probably going to be a simple Python script with some other libraries. Apparently, the world record for typing is 206 words per minute. The ultimate goal of this video is to obliterate both records. Alright, when it comes to typing, I usually go on Monkeytype and TypeGG. But there is human benchmark test, but it doesn't have a multiplayer. The first victim on this list is TypeGG. So looking at how TypeGG handle words, they put them individual words inside these span elements word by word. All we have to do is combine words into one part in order to get entire paragraph and remove double spaces. From there, all the bot has to do is type. Oh my god, yes, it works. Oh, what the fuck? Okay, so it looks like the bot is typing too fast and the browser can't handle that. So I added a little interval which makes it type a little bit slower. Alright, let's do it again. Alright, let's press the button.
Oh yes, it seems it's working as we expected.
This website has a daily leaderboard. Let's take over and be the number one.
What that say?
AAA upload failed, even though I've done everything right. So when my pod hits capital letter, it sends both at the same time, and browser can't handle that. I fixed it, so it should work this time. Sure, I got number one, fools. I am the peak of my typing skills. You all stand no chance. And there we go, number one, number one. Let's move on to our next victim, the human benchmark. This also uses the same span system as the other one. Let's destroy this game. And I will no interval on this since it doesn't seem to have any anti-cheat system. Since you know, no multiplayer. Alright, press the buttons. What? 5,736,000 words per minute. Holy sh! Last but not least, Monkeytype. Time to destroy Mythical Rocket and show who is the fastest typer in the world. Luckily, Monkeytype was way easier to crack than others, which means easy to modify. No one types faster than me. I am at my peak. I am the best.